going to tell you a step-by-step strategy to make $3,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Even you are a complete beginner, you have no money, no experience, no technical skills. For those who don't know about affiliate marketing, in affiliate marketing, you are going to sell other people's or company's product. When someone will buy that product from your link, you will earn commission. You don't need to deliver the product. No need to provide any customer service. It is the easiest and fastest way to make money online. I will tell you 5 steps so that you can launch and make money from this business. First step is decide your niche and find a product to sell. You can choose any niche in which you are interested in and you are passionate about, like fashion, travel, baking, real estate, pets, but make sure you can find great products and potential customers to sell in that niche. But if you don't know in which you are interested in, just like me when I started, so I will make the work easier for you. There are the 3 niches: health, wealth and relationships. You can choose any one niche from these 3 niches. These are evergreen and never will be outdated because people always want to make money, good health and better relationships. Then after choosing the niche, you need to find a product that you are going to sell to your audience. Now I am going to share with you 2 methods to find profitable products that you actually don't need to sell. People already ready to buy those products. First method is just go to Google, then you will get the list of all the affiliate marketing programs in your industry. Then choose your product carefully. If possible, first buy that product and use that product so that you know is that product actually deliver result or not. Because if that product is not good, not valuable, then your audience will not going to buy. You can also check the reviews of the people of that product you are going to choose. The second method is make a list of all the influencers, successful people, entrepreneurs in your niche and just see whether they have any product or not. And if they have any product and you are interested in promoting that product, then you can contact with them, you can send them email or you can contact with them on Instagram, Facebook that you are interested in promoting their product. Then sign up for the affiliate program. But when you just started, choose only 1 or 2 products to sell. If you are promoting 3 or 4 products, more than that, you will get overwhelmed or confused. Just focus on only on 1 or 2 products to promote. Let's move to the next step. So after finding the product, you need to attract people to your product, and for that you need to build a sales funnel. It's a simple 2-page funnel. For those who don't know about funnels, just stay tuned. I will show you how funnels look like. Also, at the end of step 3, I will tell you 2 free software to build funnels and to send emails to your audience. Now let me show you my funnel. So this is the funnel that I use. It's a bridge funnel and this is an opt-in page. It's a 2-page funnel. It's an opt-in page. Another page is thank you page. I will also show you that page. So there are only 3 things on this page. First thing is you need to add hook. Looking for a 100% free course that teaches the beginner friendly side hustle online. So this is the hook and this is the lead magnet. It's a free course. That is a lead magnet. I will tell you about the lead magnet in the next step. And the third thing is the button. So if I put my email here, I redirect it to the thank you page. So this is the thank you page. On this thank you page, there is a information about that lead magnet, how to access the 90-minute affiliate challenge dashboard. There are the instruction on this page, how I will get to that lead magnet. I sign up on the opt-in page. So you don't need to give any free course if you don't want to. You just can simply give any checklist. I will show you one more funnel. So this is the one more funnel. Like this is the cheat sheet that this person is giving to his audience. There is no video, there is a hook and a button to grab the lead magnet. People will going to type their name and email. To build a funnel, you need two things, a software and a lead magnet. That I will tell you about in the next step. Now, if you want to learn more about the funnels, you want to see how you can build funnels step by step, how you can build your email list step by step, then I have a free course that teaches you everything step by step about affiliate marketing business. I will put the link of free course in the description box. Just click on the link and register for the free course. Now in the next step, build an email list of 100 people. If you missed this step, you can't make money with this business, because this is the step that will make you money with affiliate marketing. So to build an email list, you need to give something for free, like free course, masterclass, cheat sheet, ebook, anything that you want to give something valuable to your audience that I just show you in the previous step. So you will give something for free to your audience, and in exchange they will give their emails to you. So this is the free course that I am giving to my audience to build my email list. Don't overcomplicate, just keep your lead magnet as simple as that, so that anybody can easily consume your lead magnet. I told you about 2 free software so that you can build your funnel and send email to your audience. To build funnels, you can use a free software, system.ai. It's completely free. And to send emails, you can use GetResponse. They provide a free account for 500 contacts, and that is enough for you when you just started. I will put the link of both the software in the description. You can check out the link and make your free account. You only need to set up all these just once, your funnel, lead magnet. If you just set up once, the only thing left is send traffic to that opt-in page. Now you need to send regularly traffic to your opt-in page so that you can build your email list. To send traffic to your opt-in page, choose any social media platform, be it YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Start creating content consistently on that platform. When your content start getting traction, views, people will come to your profile, they will click on the link in your bio and they will grab your lead magnet. And that's how you will going to build your email list. I am going to tell you a traffic source that I use that has potential to get ton of leads every day. And that is a short form content. You can start creating short form content on YouTube Shorts, and then you can repurpose those content also on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, so that you will get 10x result with the just one type of content. Short form content are trending nowadays. People get millions of views on their videos. I also got more than 300k views on one of my video, and there are other many videos that got to 80k, 60k, 30k, 25k views. And not just views, but if you made those videos with proper strategy, you can get lot of leads and sales with those videos. So I recently changed my shorts strategy and I upload them on Facebook, and every day I am getting more than 10 leads with my short form content. But you need to follow a right framework to actually get result with the short form content. So the 3-step framework that I use for my reels, that is hook, value, offer. Start your reels with the hook, something shocking, or you can target pain points or desire of your target audience so that it attracts them and they will watch your video. Next part is value. The value you are giving in your video. Make it simple, don't overcomplicate. because it's just a 30 to 60-second video. Your audience should understand very clearly about your opportunity, what you are trying to tell them. Only one idea per video. Don't add too much idea in just one short video. Make it simple. And then call to action. That is very, very important. If your target is to get leads and sales with your video, you can put the call to action, click on the link in bio, or check comments, DM me, so that if they are interested in your opportunity, they need to know what's the next step. So that is the strategy I follow with my reels, and it's worked very well. Now in the next step, after building your email list or getting traffic, you need to send email to your audience so that you can nurture them. You can build a strong relationship with them so that they know, like and trust you, because then only they will buy from you. So to build a strong email list, to build connection, you can send them emails. You can send them value emails, story emails, and offer emails. So in the value emails, just teach them something about the business and send them to the free content. Then in the story email, share any incident of your life, anything related to your personal life, your business life, and give a lesson to them. Because when they read the story, they feel connected with you, and because of that connection, they will going to buy from you. And then you can also relate that story to the product you are promoting, and you can send them to the product you are going to sell. Then you can also send them direct offer emails. In that emails, you will describe the opportunity about your offer, everything, and you will send them to the checkout link. Now if you want to learn more how you can find product, build funnels, and send emails, I have a free course that teaches you everything step by step about affiliate marketing business. I will put the link of the course in the description box. Just click on the link and register for the free course.